Let's take a look at the amazing nut and bolt manufacturing process inside a factory. Firstly, the nut making process starts with a hexagon steel rod. The steel rods are cut and a hole is made using a nut tapping machine. Next, the inner holes of the nuts are chamfered using a machine. Here, the nuts are given a grade stamping. The nuts are now loaded into the machine. Now, threads are formed using a thread rolling machine. Here, prepared nuts are checked and made into clusters. Then, the nuts are sent for a heating process. Here, the nuts are put into a high-temperature furnace to strengthen them. Once heated, the nuts are dipped into an oil tank and cooled down. Finally, the nuts are ready. Let's look at the bolt making process, which begins again with a steel rod. Here, the rod is cut into small sizes using a bandsaw machine, and its diameter is checked. Now, the bolt is chamfered, then it is heated and sent to the machine to round off the head. The threads of the bolt are cut using a machine. Finally, the prepared nuts and bolts are packaged in sacks and are ready to dispatch.